There was a boy, like about 10 years old, on a beach. And at a distance, there was another older gentleman who was watching this boy. And what this boy was doing was he was running into the waters and doing this. Coming back again on the beach, running into the waters and doing this. And the man was watching for a while. He came close to see what he was doing. The boy would come up to the shore, and there were thousands upon millions of starfish that the high tide had brought to the shore, and they were all strewn all over the sands of the beach. This guy would pick up one of these starfish, go into the waters, throw it, come back up again, pick up another one, get into the waters, throw it, and he kept continuing this. This elderly gentleman came up to this boy and said, "Look, son, I've been watching you for the last 15 minutes. And in the last 15 minutes, all you've been able to throw into the water is about 10 starfish. And there are millions up here on the shore. Do you even think it matters?" The boy didn't speak a single word. He went onto the beach again, picked the starfish, went into the waters, flung it inside the waters, came back to the man and said it made a difference to that one. Right? And therefore, when it makes a difference to one life out there, we have no idea